Hello everyone. Today we are going to start Juypter Notebook. We are going to install Juypter Notebook for the AI tool machine learning programming software. So we need to install Juypter Notebook. So here we will enter Python -m pip install Juypter. Pip install Juypter. After doing this, Juypter will start to install in this application. As here I already installed this software, so it is showing that I could not find version because I already installed 23.32 version. So if you will enter this command in cmd, Juypter Notebook server will start to install in your PC. Now for starting this, we will enter a command on the command line. That's name is Python -m notebook. Click here Python -m notebook. After clicking, when you will click enter, now it will take few seconds. Now we can see server is installed successfully and it is going to run. Now we will see. Now we can see it is working fine, and here Python Juypter Notebook localhost 8888 on this port it is running. So from here we can start new projects, console, notebook, whatever application you want to build, you can start from here. Okay, thank you.